So guys, in today's class, we are just going to discuss a basic plotting. So I'll be demonstrating you an example of a 3D plot. So in today's session, I'll be using and importing Axis 3D and it will be populating a 3D plot. So let's get started. So let me import the library. So again, I'm using the server version of the Jupyter Notebook. So I'll be using MPL2 toolkits for like 3D plotting. So I'll be importing Access 3D. So this is one, you can say one library that will be helping in plotting the 3D plot. So I'll be using the Matplotlib and NumPy. I'll be importing the pandas as PD. So these are the necessary library that I'll be utilizing. Okay. Okay. There is always an error of spelling, right? So let us generate a data frame, a random data set. So let's say if I go with an variable which is df, then from the pandas, I'll be generating one data frame. Let's say my data frame comprises of three columns, x, y, and z. So I'll be populating some random numbers, and I'll be giving them the name as x, y, and z, right? So let me populate the range for x, let's say from 1 to 101. Let's say another number I'm populating as y. Let's say np dot some random number dot random. Let's say the range is again from 1 to 101. Let me populate another variable which is z, right? So like I'll be using again the np dot random dot rand n, let's say 100, and okay, so I'm just operating some numbers. So see, there are so many ways to prepare the data set. So I'm just preparing like based on some random numbers. So let's say, let me multiply this set by 2 and let me close this with a curly braces. Okay, I think I've used, okay, I have to use one more bracket over here. Okay, now it works well. So let me, okay, now it will work. Now guys, I'll be just plotting the number. Let me show you the data frame first of all, which we have just populated. So as you can see, the first is some random numbers between 1 to from 1 to 100, excluding the 101 part. So this is my set. So let me show you the plotting part. So plot dot figure, and let's say I'll be using the axis as fig dot add. Let's say if I'm just naming this to be a subplot, 111 projection. Let's say I want a projection to be 3D. AX got scatter, and let's say DF. Let's say DF Y, and let's say DF Z, and I can take any number. Let me take the number to be sky blue. Let me take the value for S as 60, and let me do some more, you can say, plotting. So guys, I'll be using view.init, view underscore init. These are the dimensions. Plt.show in order to visualize the plot. So this is a kind of a plot that we will be dealing with. I'm just plotting a 3D visualization of the plot of the data frame that we have just created. Oh, okay. So it has been created, but there are some errors. So there are always some error while writing the code. So it's not an issue. It happens while coding. So it's always beneficial to check your code all the time. Okay, so let me check my code. Okay, so this is correct. Projection is also fine. Okay. So I always go with some spelling error. Perfect. So this is one of the example in order to plot the 3D plots. So guys, as we can see over here, it is just due to this additional library with this XS3D. So I hope all of you are clear with it. So happy learning.